Hello everyone, I'm Clinton. Welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So in this video, I'll be talking about Vidiq, how it can help you as a YouTuber, and how you can get the premium version. So this software we're talking about here is a very wonderful software that great YouTubers are using to achieve their dreams. Okay, without wasting much time, let me just show you guys the brief video. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'll be dropping the link in the description. So this is Vidiq. So the first thing you have to do is to get your free account. I'll be dropping the link in the description. So I'll just go through all these things very quick. So this is your daily ideas. It shows you depending on the kind of videos you post, it's gonna give you ideas on videos that you can make. All right, so this is Vidiq, and I'll just go briefly on all this section above here. This is your daily ideas, and this is what it gives you every day. Depending on the kind of videos you post, depending on the kind of videos you make, it gives you suggestion every day, and this is going to give you 3 suggestions if you are using a regular account. And this is your keyword, like you're trying to make a video and then you're putting in some keywords, like it's going to show you the search volume of the word and the overall score. See, the overall score is measured on how attractive this keyword is to you as a creator. So a high number is better. Okay, so competitors, you are a YouTube creator and then you're trying to like follow the footstep of some other YouTube creators. You can add them to your competitors and your subscribers, your public videos, average daily views, and the rest of it. So you can track all this. Then for your subscribers, for you to access this, you need to upgrade to boost. And for your SEO, which is your share of experience, to maximize the use of this SEO here, this one will give you a lot of tags that you should be using in your video. You need to upgrade to boost, and you can also join the Vidiq Academy. All right, so this is about what this software is all about and how it can help you grow your YouTube channel. So my aim here is to show you guys how to get it for free. So if you find this video really helpful in your YouTube achievement, you can just support my channel, hit the like button, turn on bell notification. I really appreciate that. Okay, so for you to get the free premium of this, you have to go to upgrade. And as you can see here, there are 3: Pro, Boost, and Max. So on your Boost, you can add 1 account, 3 accounts, and 5 accounts. The same as the Max. But this has Boost plus coaching, while this has 2 times more views on your new videos. All right, so this is what it gives. It gives you 50 daily video ideas. You know what that means, and a lot more. So this is how to get the boost with 100% discount. So you click on upgrade to boost. Once you click on upgrade to boost, it's going to show you monthly is $49, and then you click on debit or credit card. Here it says promo does not work, it's not eligible with PayPal. So once you click on your card, then you click on, you have a promo code. So mind you, this part you have to just fill up your information. You won't be debited. You won't be debited. And then you have to go over here and put your promo code THINK. That's going to be the promo code. So once you put the promo code, you have to click on this part, and then it's going to read your promo code and see what it says. Minus 100%. Think promo code was successfully valid. So after you see this here, you just go ahead and put your card number, your credit card or your debit card number, and then once you're done with that, you just check out. and you can enjoy the boost premium of this vidIQ. So this is how to get this for a zero fee. And if you can think out of the box, you can know how you can maximize the use of this. And bear in mind, I'll just tell you, I'll give you a tip. You cannot use this promo code on the same YouTube account that you linked to your account. Like, let me show you what I mean. So this account now. So this is the YouTube account that is inside. I just used an account there, and this email that has this account, and this account already has this YouTube already inserted into it. So that's the YouTube that this account is using. If you try to use the promo code maybe next month, it won't work for you. So what I advise for you is that just try to be creative about this. Okay, if you know what I mean. Okay, so that's everything about your vidIQ, and this is how to get it for a free plan. So that's everything about this video. So guys, if you find this helpful, and if you think this will really help you in your YouTube journey, don't forget to support my goals. Hit the like button, turn on the bell notification. I really appreciate that, so that you can be notified when I drop videos like this. All right, guys, stay safe and peace.